Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your assets ready. Import your music file and the edited video into the project panel so you can work immediately. Once imported, make a dedicated music bin to avoid clutter and create or select a sequence that matches your video frame rate and resolution. Drag your primary video onto the timeline to auto-match the sequence settings. This ensures later edits stay in sync. Make sure the music file is visible in the media browser, so you can audition and preview it before placing it on a track. Now place the music onto an empty audio track and scrub to find the ideal start point relative to the first visual cut. Add sequence markers on important beats to align hits. If the track is too long, trim the clip or use the rate stretch tool to compress timing without drastic pitch issues. For tighter mix control, add clip keyframes for volume or tag the audio as music in Essential Sound to apply automatic ducking against dialogue. Make sure clip gain and track routing are logical for later mixing. Finish by balancing the music level against dialogue and effects. Use the audio track mixer and meters to keep peaks below clipping and aim for the loudness target you need. Once mixed, export the sequence using appropriate settings, AAC 320 kbps for web or WAV for master, and verify LUFS if required. If you hear pops, sync issues, or sudden volume jumps, render the audio. Confirm all clips share the same sample rate, and try re-importing a fresh copy. Replacing the file often resolves corrupt waveform problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.